Chef Boyardee. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
Today on Taste Test, we are trying all 21 flavors of Chef Boyardee. Zach, did you grow up eating Chef Boyardee?
Sure did. I ate Chef Boyardee quite a lot when I was a kid. I remember getting it in a little bowl and the smell of it, which I'm already smelling here.
I didn't really grow up eating this as much because my father was very restricted of what I should be eating.
My mom didn't let us have it at our house
Okay.
because we're Italian and she doesn't even believe in canned sauce. But my aunt spoiled me a lot, and she always had the little microwavable cups of the ravioli.
Yeah.
And I had like a very methodical way of eating them, and I cherished every single one. I'm really excited to eat these, I'm not even kidding. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network by clicking the little thing down here and then hit that bell so you get notified when we put out new episodes.
This is the classic one.
This is definitely a classic one.
I used to lick all the sauce off and then peel the top
Sure.
layer of the ravioli off,
Oh yeah,
eat
sure.
the meat, and then eat the bottom.
I feel like everyone knows how this one tastes. I don't know how much we can really go into it.
They
but
haven't changed it.
It's obviously overstuffed.
And it's ready for me to peel back the top layer.
Nothing
No,
wrong
there's
with that.
definitely more meat in that one.
That's great.
More of the same.
More of the same, but less.
I feel like I'd have to be like a young child to eat this one and enjoy it.
I'm a young child.
It's gonna sound weird, but these are better.
Well, I think there's more sauce. Like they're just covered in more
They're very
sauce. Like,
saucy.
the other two are just bigger and they're not catching as much of the sauce.
I feel like you couldn't really do a bigger meatball than this. That tastes different to me than the filling.
It tastes very similar.
You think?
The sauce is sweeter.
That sauce is unbeatable.
The sauce is the same in all of them so far.
It's still great.
I wonder.
That meatball's good.
Yeah, that meatball's good.
This is not my favorite.
I like it.
I feel like I'm looking for the traditional beef flavor that we had in the last four.
Nope. Not a big fan of that.
I have had these as a kid,
Uh-huh.
and it's not the flavor of cheese that you want. Nope.
Oh yeah, I see what you're saying.
I like this one.
I feel
Flavorful
like
as the
this
other
was
ones.
Chef Boyardee trying to do something for a vegetarian family and not succeeding.
Do you want this one to be spicy or not to be spicy?
You know what? I don't mind that one.
Okay, yeah, that's definitely a little spicy.
The sausage is actually kind of nice. I kind of like that one.
This is one of my favorite flavors. I love this noodle shape, and if they sold this in a box, I would make it all the time.
I don't love it. I know I'm going for a second bite, but it's more out of curiosity than anything else.
That one's good.
That's good. So interestingly, this sauce actually is the first one that feels a little different to me, maybe because there's so much of it.
But I also think the pasta tastes different because there's...
Nothing in it. Big beefaroni is technically rigatoni.
That's just like, that tastes like the artificial color that it is.
I kind of
Yum.
like the smaller one.
Really? All right, you can have that one, I'll have this one. Let's see if this sustains a twirl or if it's gonna
I was
break.
gonna say, no, it doesn't look like it could sustain a 12.
No.
But this meatball's a nice size.
Oh yeah. Bellissimo.
This one feels like we left it in the microwave for 10 more seconds.
It would be better if this was just an entire thing of meatballs.
I like the confidence to call it a jumbo meatball.
It's
Wait,
so
is it just
small.
one meatball?
There really is just one meatball in here.
You know, before I said that I wanted an entire can of the meatballs,
I don't want the jumbo meatball.
I don't want them to be the big ones.
This is definitely saucier though.
I don't need
Yeah.
that.
Mini meatballs, great. Next.
This is
This
lasagna
is not
to me.
lasagna.
See, you know what? A lot of kids grow up thinking that this is lasagna.
I think I'm gonna like this a lot. It gives it some texture. The shape gives it an interesting new texture.
Whoa, it smells straight up like taco
Whoa.
seasoning. Does it taste like taco
It
seasoning?
tastes just like taco seasoning.
Okay, this is the most different tasting one so far.
The flavor kind of like disappears after like one bite though. If you're gonna say cheeseburger or cheesy burger, it's gotta have like a little bit of like...
Gotta have either of those flavors.
Yeah, it's
That is my happy place.
No, I'm like a traditional mac and cheese in a box person.
I actually really like that.
Oh, you do?
Yeah,
Okay.
it tastes
Feel a
like
little
it
better
tastes
now.
like other boxed mac and cheese.
This is the pasta texture I've come to expect, and I'm not mad at it.
No, me neither.
I love the cheese taste.
What is so hard about just boiling some noodles and putting them in butter that you would do this?
Okay, I was thinking
This
this was
butter
cheesy.
looks so crazy. This looks like cheese. Oh my. No.
It tastes like sweat.
I love that. I will ask if I can take this.
I do love that it's a penne noodle. That's
a penne
fun.
noodle.
I love it.
Yeah.
The texture of the pasta is actually okay.
It's actually very silky.
It's nice and salty. I'm
Ew,
gonna
there's
be.
a weird aftertaste.
Yeah, that's the best
No.
part.
Yeah, again, love the meatball. I'm a big meatball fan.
Different taste, very sweet.
Did you do the thing where you just try to get like them all like on the
100%.
fork tine? Look at that.
That's how you eat
Still
'em.
got it.
This doesn't have the sweetness of the alphabets, and I'm grateful.
I do like shells. Puka shells, I used to wear them all the time as a kid. I looked so cool.
I like that the shells have the little space for sauce here.
Kind of just playing the hits with this one, just a different pasta.
I think this was great.
I'm very happy.
Now, what was your favorite?
I mean, the cheese one was surprisingly good. I definitely like a good classic meat.
The mac and cheese.
Or like an overstuffed meat.
And I really liked the hamburger mac and cheese.
Honestly, my favorite is still like the classic meatball, spaghetti and meatball. I think the jumbo spaghetti and meatball was my favorite because it's just more of the meatball.
My favorite was still the classic beef ravioli.
Clack.
But I liked the addition in the mini one of the meatballs, and I think that I might put on rotation. The sauce is a little sweeter, but I like the meatball moment. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to let us know in the comments down below what you'd like to see us try next time, and of course, subscribe to Food Network, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Bye.